The San Francisco Bay Area Rapid Transit District, better known as BART, is a heavy rail public transit system that connects the San Francisco Peninsula with many communities in the East and South Bay. In this video, we're going to explain the basics of how to ride BART for those who need to use elevators. Every BART station and train has many features that improve accessibility for all passengers, but it has some specifically for individuals who use a mobility device. BART stations have accessible elevator service to all levels. To check the status of BART station elevators, you can use the electronic signs or audio announcements in the station, you can call ahead, or check the BART app or website. In addition, there is level boarding from the platform to all trains. All BART cars can accommodate wheelchair users, but for individuals whose disability prevents them from accessing, boarding, or riding BART trains, BART provides ADA paratransit service. Service is provided by wheelchair-accessible vans or buses to certified riders, and reservations are required. If you have any questions or are in need of additional accommodations, please feel free to ask station agents during your next visit or contact BART directly. Once you've reached the fare gate, tap your Clipper card and proceed through the gate to the platform. You may need to take another elevator to get to the correct level. If there are multiple platforms at the station, make sure you use the elevators marked for your desired train. Once you exit the elevator, look for the electronic overhead sign with the name of your BART line and wait safely behind the yellow strip of textured tiles for your train to arrive. Wheelchair or scooter users should board at an angle. For more information or assistance, please contact the CIL's Community Connections program.